Okay, I got a better view. See what I'm doing. Plus, I've only got a ratchet socket. It's a lot easier to take this stuff off quicker. Still warm. Oh, that can't come off. Pulley in the way. That's still pretty hot. Everything over here is hot. Like working on top of a hot motor in a corner without much airflow. Alright, that's easy. Still got airflow for power tools. 14mm sockets real tight on the loose 9/16 bolts. I run 2 washers on instead of 1 good one. So 2 separate ones. Damn, that thing's hot. Thing's still hot. Well, there's the problem. A broken reed. I figured that's probably what it was. It's the second time I've broken one of those. Yep. That'll do it every time. That's why it hasn't been very efficient on how it runs. Takes a lot longer to pump up than it used to. I just wasn't familiar with it for about using it a lot of years, but anyway, you can see how it just broke in there. There's one of the screws there. Flathead screw came out. Now that come out first. My guess it probably loosened up and let the reed burr come free. Be my guess. Obviously the O-ring failed. Bore feels good. Pretty big nick in the piston over there, so hot. She's hot. Not too much oiling in there, that's good. Yeah, a couple of nicks here and there, nothing serious. That's the only one I care about, is that one right on the side. But don't really see anything getting in there. This is your low pressure, that's your high pressure. See no nicks in it. Overall, it's not too bad. Let's see, I'm going to get this camera off of here. A spot here I can drop